Experienced some differences in culture between Russia and France. So my name is Grigory. I'm originally from Russia and I'm studying in France for several years now.
So hello everyone, my name is Li Zhengming. I'm from China.
I'm Luz Garcia, I'm a Mexican student.
So my name is Aya, I'm from Morocco and I'm 22 years old.
So when I arrived in France, in fact I experienced some differences in culture between Russia and France. For example, in clothing, some people told me that put some socks with a Bermuda wasn't a good choice, like in France. For example, in Russia, people don't really matter.
So I arrived in France. I was totally shocked by the frequency, the strikes in France, how much they like strikes, even I've heard about it before. And I was also shocked by the bridges that the French people created to extend their holidays. That's unimaginable in China.
One thing that really shocked me was the fact that most of the stores are closed on Sunday. So if you want to buy something to eat or go anywhere, it's closed. So yeah, you need to buy something before to ensure your weekend. Also, the fact that when I first arrived here, I was very noisy because of my culture. Latino culture is more like yeah, noisy. We make a lot of parties and that stuff. So when I first arrived here, the other ones were just looking at me, saying, "Oh, she's weird."
Well, the food is not the same, but that's an obvious one. I think it depends on the city, but there's not a lot of noise here in Nancy. So stores kind of close off really early and everyone goes home, and it could be a little depressing for people who are used to noisy streets all the time and just people going out at 7, stores open until midnight. So that was completely different. So other than that, I really got hung up on small things like how people greeted each other. So here basically the social norm is that girls and boys have to kiss on the cheek for some reason. It's just, that's how it is. And if you're from the same sex, you can do pretty much anything you want. So you can give a handshake or you can just hug. It depends on people. But that is the opposite where I come from. So girls and boys are not supposed to greet each other that way because of religious reasons. So that was a bit of a problem for me when I came.
The administration part is really important. For example, it's really important to have a bank account when you are looking for an apartment or a flat. People trust more when you have a bank account in France than in other continents.
Actually, I didn't prepare a lot. I turned to a school to learn French for about 3 months, but I don't think it's quite useful. I speak a lot of English when I arrived. But if you want to come to France, know about the culture here and know some basic French words that can help you to open a conversation with others or start a conversation with others.
For the administration part, you need to be prepared because administration is very complicated here in France. So you need to make several copies of the same document because they're going always ask you for the original and 2 or 3 copies. So be prepared for it.
Okay, well, my first tip would be prepared. You have to be prepared because I didn't come prepared. I knew where I was going to live because I knew that it was very difficult to find somewhere to live here in France. But I wasn't mentally prepared for what was going to happen, or I wasn't prepared for the things that you have to do when you come here, when you live alone, basically. So how to pay rent, where you can get a phone when you get here, etc., etc. So I think the best thing to do would be to ask someone who already came here to kind of get guided as far as what you have to do technically to get settled. My other tip would be to understand the differences between your culture and the French culture here, because that's kind of how you get over the alienation process, because it's kind of essential to move in from a country to another. So I would say complain as much as you can, because it's going to help you get over it and understand the culture better and get settled.